USA Business Insurance serves as a critical safety net for enterprises across the United States, providing a financial buffer against the myriad of risks that can arise during daily operations. And its benefits extend far beyond simple financial protection to include legal compliance, professional credibility, and long-term operational stability. At its core, business insurance, often referred to as commercial insurance, is a collection of diverse policies designed to protect a company's physical assets, intellectual property, and human capital from unforeseen events such as natural disasters, lawsuits, data breaches, and workplace injuries. The landscape of business insurance in the USA is comprehensive, featuring several fundamental types of coverage that are often bundled into a business owner's policy, or BOP, for small to medium-sized enterprises. This typically includes general liability insurance, which protects against third-party claims of bodily injury or property damage, and commercial property insurance, which covers the business's physical location and equipment. Furthermore, workers' compensation insurance is a legal requirement in nearly every state for businesses with employees, providing medical benefits and wage replacement for those injured on the job. While professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions, is indispensable for service-based industries where a mistake in advice or delivery could lead to significant financial loss for a client. The benefits of maintaining robust coverage are multifaceted. Primarily, it mitigates the catastrophic financial impact of a single lawsuit or disaster that might otherwise bankrupt a company, ensuring that the business can weather a crisis and continue to grow. Beyond risk mitigation, insurance acts as a mark of legitimacy. Many high-value clients and government entities require proof of insurance before signing contracts, meaning that being insured directly facilitates business expansion and revenue generation. It also aids in employee retention and safety, as workers feel more secure knowing they are protected by mandated coverages like workers' comp and optional benefits like health insurance. In the modern digital age, cyber liability insurance has also become a vital benefit, shielding businesses from the astronomical costs of data breaches and ransomware attacks, which are increasingly common threats in 2025. Ultimately, by transferring the burden of risk to an insurance provider, American business owners gain the peace of mind necessary to focus on innovation and strategy, knowing that their investment is shielded from the unpredictable variables of the marketplace.